While the IRS doesn't explain the specific reason for each 810 refund freeze, there are some common triggers the code is frequently associated with. Being aware of these can help you identify and address the potential issue. Here are the most common reasons for a refund hold. 1. Missing information from your tax return. One of the top reasons for the hold is that your tax return is missing some key information. Common missing items include Social Security numbers for you, your spouse, or dependents. Birth dates for you, your spouse, or dependents. Signatures on the return. Supporting tax forms like W-2s or 1099s. Double-check your return to ensure all individuals and incomes are accurately reported. Make sure everything is signed. If information is missing, amend your return to provide the required details. 2. Math errors on your tax return. Another prevalent trigger of the freeze is simple math errors on your tax return. With so many complex IRS rules, innocent mistakes do happen. Double-check your return calculations and make sure everything adds up correctly. Pay particular attention to figures that carry over from supporting tax forms. If you find mistakes, file an amended tax return with the corrections as soon as possible. 3. Your income changed significantly. If your income changed substantially between tax years, that could also lead to a refund freeze. Situations like getting a new higher-paying job, cashing out a retirement account, selling valuable property or assets. Large variations in income raise flags if deductions and tax amounts don't align with past returns. Be sure your return accurately reflects significant income changes. Be ready to provide paperwork explaining the reasons behind a major income swing. 4. You have an outstanding tax debt. Do you have an outstanding balance due for past tax years? The IRS will use your refund to offset unpaid tax debts. This leads to a 810 refund freeze while they verify the amount owed. If you have unresolved tax debts, contact them to make arrangements for back taxes. You may be able to set up a payment plan to get your current refund released. 5. Your bank account is closed or changed. Finally, if you closed the bank account you used for past refunds, it can trigger a verification holdup. The same thing applies if your account number changed for any reason. Double-check the bank account on your tax return. Make any necessary changes to routing and account numbers. If the account you used previously closed, be sure to provide updated direct deposit information.